Good morning, students. Welcome to accounts classes. Now, students, in the previous video, we have discussed about full disclosure principle and convention of materiality. And after this, we have the next concept, that is my convention of conservatism or prudence. According to this principle, prudence means do not anticipate only profit, but you should provide for all possible losses. इस concept के through, it is the responsibility of company, organization to see that कि company सिर्फ अपनी profit नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, उनको अपनी losses भी दिखानी चाहिए. According to this concept, all anticipated losses should be recorded in the books of accounts, but all anticipated or unrealized gains should be ignored. In other words, conservatism is the policy of playing safe. Provision is made for all known liabilities and losses, even though the amount cannot be determined with certainty, because future is uncertain. In advance, you cannot decide what would be the loss. Simply thing is that you should provide or you should give the provision for losses. हमने इन्वेस्टर्स को ये बताना है कि मुझे इतने अमाउंट का लॉस हो सकता है. दिस इज व्हाट इज माय प्रूडेंस. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आई कैन एक्सप्लेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ टू एग्जांपल. Provision for doubtful debts is created in anticipation of actual bad debts. अब बेटा बिजनेस में क्रेडिट सेल होती है तो वी मेक प्रोविजन. हमने इन्वेस्टर्स को, क्रेडिटर्स को ये बताना है कि देयर मे बी चांसेस दैट 10% डेटर्स विल नॉट पे द अमाउंट. सो 10% मेरा बैड डेट्स का चांसेस है. दूसरा बेटा, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इज वैल्यूड at cost price or realizable value, whichever is less. That means closing stock is valued at cost price or market price, whichever is lower. अब बेटा इन दोनों के बेस पे आपके MCQ के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. It is very very important. Now students, we have cost principle or historical cost concept. According to this concept, an asset is ordinarily recorded in the books of account at the price at which it was acquired. Acquired का मतलब हो गया बेटा cost price और purchase price. And under this concept, cost principle, market value is ignored. Why market value is ignored? Because बेटा cost principle, तो cost से पता लगता है cost price और purchase price. Now students, market values or current values of assets are difficult to be determined. The valuation by one expert will not be the same as that of the another. That means market value differs. Hence, under this principle, entry is to be made or asset is to be recorded at the cost price or the price which you paid to acquire it. And the last concept, dear students, we have dual aspect concept. That means dual aspect concept का मतलब क्या बेटा? It is very very simple. According to this concept, every business transaction is recorded as having a dual aspect. Dual aspect का मतलब है every transaction affects at least two accounts. If one account is debited, any other account must be credited. That means every transaction has two effects. मैंने आपको बताया था इक्वेशन, assets equal to capital plus liabilities. The system of recording transactions based on this principle is called as double entry system. It is because of this concept that the two sides of the balance sheets are always equal and the following accounting equation will always hold good at any point of time. Assets equal to liabilities plus capital or capital equal to assets minus liabilities. So dear students, under dual aspect concept, every transaction has two effects. One is debited and other is credited. So students, this was all related with the accounting principles. Thank you for today.